Hey guys, 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐟𝐮𧧧𝐬 here. Welcome back to another Infinity Processing System review. In this frequently asked question video, I'm going to go over how to really make money with Infinity Processing System. For those of you who are wondering how this system works to help you make money from home, I'm going to explain it for you, okay? And I'm going to go over more specifically in this video, what do you need to do to make money? I feel like a lot of people in the online space tell people that they can make money online. They don't explain the process of how you make money online. And once people understand how simple that can be, if you choose to accept to keep it simple, then you can always rinse and repeat no matter what you're promoting and make money online. So, if you are interested in learning how to build a better affiliate marketing business using free social media and making money online with this digital product, then continue to watch this video and also check underneath this video for more information. So before I answer the question, before I dive into this question, I want to welcome you if this is the first time to my channel. Welcome. If it's not your first time, hey. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and there's a little bell next to it. Make sure that you tap that so you never miss one of my videos where I give little nuggets along the way to help you make money online and also in your affiliate marketing journey. So let's get right into it. Before I talk about how to make money with Infinity Processing System, let's talk about what Infinity Processing System is. Infinity Processing System is a home-based digital business opportunity where you're able to make $50 to $300 instant commissions. It's also a training platform. Um, I feel that a lot of people in the online space join make money online work from home opportunities that can't teach them the skill sets that they need for the long term in order to rinse and repeat, make money online over and over again. When you learn the skill sets of internet marketing, how to promote, how to market, how to brand yourself, you can always make money no matter what you're marketing. So, this training platform teaches you how to promote and brand any business with free social media marketing without having to pay for paid ads. And that is what Infinity Processing System is. So let's go over some 4 steps that you need to make money with Infinity Processing System. And then I'm going to take you inside of the system, show you what it is, how it works, and proof that our members are getting results and my proof as well. So here on the left-hand side, you see a check from me, and that was when I really started understanding make money online. Like, it's just that moment when it clicked about how to make marketing work for you and how to make money online. I want to share these gems with you so that if you are a person who you've been struggling in affiliate marketing, that you really understand how to keep it simple. Step number 1 to make money online and to make money with Infinity Processing System is, of course, to get started. What I like about this model, and I'm going to show you the inside of the system in a second, okay? But just follow me here. When you get started with Infinity Processing System, you're not just getting a make money online opportunity. You are getting access to the ability to start a digital business, but you're also going to get access to a membership that is going to teach you the skill sets of digital marketing. Okay? So follow me there, right? So that is how you make money, is by learning the skill sets of digital marketing, of marketing online, promoting. When you learn how to do that, and I'm going to show you the inside membership area, you put yourself in a position to be able to make money. I can decide tomorrow I want to go promote Mary Kay. I mean, I would never promote Mary Kay, but if I wanted to, I could make money with it because I know exactly what to do. Okay? So you get started. You have the mindset of an entrepreneur that you are investing in starting a digital business, not a make money online opportunity. You have the mindset that you're investing in starting a digital business. Okay. When you have the mindset that I'm starting a business, your mindset is different than someone who comes in with the mindset of a money grab. Because, yes, your intention is to make money, but you understand it's a business. When you understand it's a business, you understand there's some simple things you need to do with consistency, right, in order to make money in the online space. So, first step is to get started, to invest, start a digital business. Step number 2 is to learn from your membership. So the value of Infinity Processing System is, again, it is an actual membership that will be able to teach you the skill sets that you need to make money in the online space. So let me take you inside and show you how you would learn from this membership. So let me pause this. So this is the inside of the Infinity Processing System. And on the inside of the Infinity Processing System, you have the ability to learn from a multiple six-figure earner, where she's essentially giving you a blueprint and a guide on how to get your affiliate business set up the right way, step by step. She even starts from the main foundational step of teaching you how to create automated sales funnel. Then she teaches you what to say when people ask for information, how to get your business out there as an absolute newbie and to start getting eyeballs on your business with pre-written ads. She teaches you how to like a daily action plan for your business, and then she teaches you how to pick, one or two of these platforms, social media free, and to dominate them to be able to market whatever you want. So for me, it's YouTube mostly, Facebook sometimes, but mostly YouTube. Okay. And once you learn how to dominate whatever platform you're on, it makes your marketing easy. It makes it simple for you to get leads. It makes it, simple for you to be able to get sales because you truly understand. I think Facebook is very beginner friendly. I would encourage everybody to start learning TikTok marketing. Um, Not so much to be on TikTok but to understand the concept of reels, which are short form videos, because every platform is paying people now to do short form video, 30 to 60-second clips. So right now, Facebook has a promotion where they're paying people 35,000 up to $35,000 a month to do short reel video marketing. Instagram, same thing. TikTok, they all have monetized short videos. Okay, so that is the future, the current and the future of video marketing because people's attention span is short anyways. So, yeah, so you can learn that right in here. Okay. And then she teaches you how to put automation in your business as well. And she gives you step by step how to set your business up, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You have access to a Facebook coaching group, you have access to a Facebook proof group, all of this with a no monthly fee. Okay, so let's jump right back into this four-part strategy. Okay. So again, let's go back over the formula. Get started is the first step. A lot of people get stuck here. Okay. They join. Yay, I'm excited. They keep joining things, but they never take their product, right? And this is a product you can learn from, right? An actual product you can learn digital marketing skill sets from. So step number 2 is to move from just being excited you got started, but to actually learn from your membership. And what you want to do is you don't want to come in here and be like, I'm not gonna apply any strategies. I go through this whole membership area. No, day number 1, it says get set up. You're going to come in here. You're going to watch this video on how to get set up. Okay. You're going to turn around and you're going to make a video. Affinity processing system review, how to get started and make money online. That's going to be your first video that you're going to put online. And that's going to attract you leads. And then those leads can turn into sales. And you make sure you put your link in the description. Those are the simple things that you can do. So once you learn from your membership area, whatever she tells you to do, you do it. You apply it. Okay? That is where a lot of people miss. They get stuck in learning paralysis, right? Right now, I'm kind of breaking down the problems in affiliate marketing, right? So people get stuck in these first 2 steps. They never get to the money here because they never did these 2 things first. So step number 2 is to learn from your membership. Okay. And again, it doesn't take a lot of time. Day number 1, you could take 15, 20 minutes, get started, turn around and make a video, right? And she shows you how to make those videos right in the YouTube automation section right here. Okay. Once you learn video marketing, you will always be good. Okay. Now, once you learn from your membership, follow her directions and do the strategies inside. Okay. So again, you're going to pick 1 to 2 platforms and you're going to master them and you're going to do the things that she tells you to do if you're going to be marketing on those platforms. So when you're in the YouTube automation, okay, let's go inside. So she teaches you in the YouTube automation how to generate leads 24/7 on autopilot, right? How to generate how to structure your video for success, right? Go ahead and learn these things. And when she says, here's how to structure your video, you turn right around. So this is so you get out of learning paralysis. You turn around and you go make a video, learn leveraging what she just taught you how to do. Okay. And that's how you're going to make money. That's how you apply. It's kind of like when you're in college, right? The only way you were going to learn something for the test was to not only just study it, but maybe to rewrite your notes, but maybe to, do something so that you practice the knowledge that you just acquired. Okay. And so that's how you turn knowledge into marketing. Okay. Now, the next step is to teach. So, what you're going to do is you learn from your membership, you're doing the strategies and applying it inside your own business. You're going to make a post on the platform of your choice. If you chose to market on Instagram, YouTube, whatever, you're going to make a post or video on the platform of your choice, sharing a mini nugget and invite people to learn more information. That's essentially what I do with my videos. They don't have to be that long, right? And that is essentially content, and content converts into money if you are consistent and over time. Okay. So that's the secret formula. What I find is that, and I'm just going to speak from my personal experience as a beginner, I was so anxious to make money in the beginning that I sabotaged myself. I was jumping from thing to thing to thing because I didn't know how to slow my mind down enough to commit to a process of putting out consistent content that built know, like, and trust, that branded me, that invited others to learn more, and that when they were ready to buy, it converted into sales. I was so stuck on the short term that it just caused me to have shiny object syndrome, and it also made me fearful of committing to a marketing process. This is a simple marketing process that anybody can do. If you commit to content, you will always make money online. Okay? That's the simple. A lot of people are chasing not tools, but they're chasing, gimmicky tools that they see on Warrior Plus. Oh yeah, that's going to be the secret to make me money online. They're chasing compensation plans. This is going to be the secret to make me money online. They're chasing paid traffic, that if you're a beginner and you haven't branded yourself, paid traffic is cold. They're not buying from you, right? So though these are the things that, if you just learn that content makes you money, simple post and video is content. When you commit to that, which is exactly what Adriana teaches you in Infinity Processing System, then you can make money online and stop spending all your money on gimmicks. Okay? So what do you get when you join? There's 3 membership levels where you can join and you can come in and make money with Infinity Processing System. There's a $50 membership level. These are no one-time membership fees, no monthly fees. There's a a 150, and there's a $300. Okay. You're going to get a done for you website. It's a $25 fee for them to create your website. And then you're going to get access to the membership area, which I already showed you, where you get training from Adriana, multiple six-figure earner, and she's going to explain her secrets on leveraging free social media to create multiple streams of income, and promoting whatever she wants to promote. And you know how to do it when you join. Okay, you're gonna get that reseller opportunity. So you have the opportunity, once you purchase a membership package, that you can make direct instant commissions, direct to Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, and Stripe. And you're also gonna get access to our coaching and proof group, so that you have support as you build an online business. All right. Now I want to show you my own results. I've made over $4,000 with this system. You can see this is my Stripe. You can see all the multiple $300 payments that have come in through this system, through IPS, and pretty cool and pretty passive. So I wanted to show you that others are getting results with this system. So I'm going to take you inside the proof group so you can see what's going on with our members. And I want to be clear that our members are not getting results just because this pays out $300 commissions. They're getting results because they are doing what I just said. They're learning from the Infinity Processing System membership area. They're applying the strategies in their own business. They're being consistent. They're showing up. They're getting out of their own way. And they are making $300 commissions. Okay. So let me take you inside. So we recently had someone make a pro level membership, and there's so many I could scroll in here all day, but I'll just point out a few. So we have Ada here. Congratulations, she welcomed a pro level member, which means she made a $300 commission. So that's pretty much that. Okay, we have Astro here who welcomed a $300 pro level member. So congrats to Astor for making a $300 commission. And then we also have Aaron who made a $300 commission as well. So just these are just a few of our members, and like I said, there's so many that are getting results with the system, and they're applying the strategies, and it's from a one-time investment into learning some digital marketing, social media marketing skill sets. So if you are ready to get started today, the link is beneath this video. When you decide that you're going to partner with me, you're going to get access to my daily routine of how and strategies of how I've been able to make money in the online space, rinse and repeat with affiliate marketing and social media marketing for free without paid ads. So you will get access to that as a bonus for partnering with me today. And at Pro, you'll get access to my instant commissions course. And my instant commissions course is pretty powerful because it's how it's the secret sauce behind how I have leveraged instant commission programs to be able to make thousands of dollars in the internet space, specifically from direct one-time payment programs. All right, so that's it. Smash and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.